Hi my Dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to recreate this Kylie Jenner inspired makeup look. The eyes are nude, the lips are highlighted. I love it. Every time I recreate any look, I end up loving it, and this is no exception. It's a very date night, fancy dinner kind of look. And I'll also give you tips at the end of the video on how to get fuller lips like this. I love how sleek my hair looks. I love my makeup. Do recreate this look, and if you do, then do tag me on my Instagram. It's SushDazzles. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. And now let's get started. I'm going to start with my hair first because she's got a different hairstyle going on. So I'm going to use the BBlunt Hot Shot Heat Protection Hair Mist. So I'm going to straighten my hair a little bit. So before that, I'm just going to use it all over my hair. I love the fragrance. It just smells so flowery and so fresh. So it prepares my hair and it protects from the heat up to 230 degrees Celsius, which is amazing. It has grapeseed oil, which is a natural hair protectant, and it also has provitamin B5, which improves the hair texture. It fights frizz and detangles the hair. Not only that, it protects the hair from hard water, from pollution, from sun damage. And I love the packaging. It comes in a very cute spray bottle, which is very easy to use, and it's very travel friendly too. You can use it on dry hair like I used it today, and you can also apply a mild shampoo and a conditioner and then towel dry your hair and apply it. As you can see, it's a very fine mist, and it's not harsh on your hair. Now I'm just going to comb my hair, and then I'm lightly going to straighten it, mainly the front pieces. I'm just going to make a side parting. I'm just going to take this portion back and then just spray on this side a couple of times more. And then I just tied it up in a ponytail. Spray it on my baby hair and keep it in place. I love how sleek my hair looks right now. Definitely preserves the natural texture of your hair and makes it soft and more manageable. So I've got a coupon code for you guys. It's SUSH20. If you use it on bblunt.com, you'll get 20% off. And the products are also available on Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart. Do not forget to check out the description box for the links and more details. My hair is all set, and now I'm going to start with the makeup. I am going to use pre-makeup serum. So I'm just going to apply this all over my face, under and over the eyes. Next, I'm going to use an orange color corrector, and I'm just going to color correct my under eye area. Next, I'm going to use foundation. Apply it all over my face. Now, this one is an amazing concealer. It's medium to full coverage, and I'll just blend it with the PAC 219 brush. I'm just going to take some and apply it under my eyes and just blend it with the same brush. I'm just going to mimic the hair growth of my eyebrows and sketch it. I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to apply it in the crease of my eyes. So you can take any shade which is a little orangey or a little peachy and apply it in the crease of your eyes. And now taking this mauvey shade, I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. And then to lighten the entire thing, I'm going to add this eyeshadow, and I'm going to add this in the inner third area of my eyelids. It's a nude shade, and it's just going to give you a clean effect in the inner third area of your eyes. We're also going to take the same plum shade or mauve shade and apply it on the bottom lash line. Now that's all for the eyes. Now, since Kylie always has her classic cat eye look with or without the eyeliner, we're going to do the same. So we're going to take the concealer and apply it in a slanting way to mimic the cat eye, and then we're going to blend it. And I'm going to apply it on my upper and lower lashes. Now I'm going to apply a pair of lashes and be right back. I'm going to take the bronzer and apply it. She has a cool toned bronzer, so that's why I took this cool toned bronzer or contour. Contour the sides of my face, my jawline. And I'm also going to contour the sides of my nose and the tip. If you feel the contour is a bit too much, you can always take your foundation brush and just go over it. She has an orange blush and I'm going to use the coral shade a little bit on the nose and chin. Highlight the high points of my face, the nose, Cupid's bow and the chin. And I'm also going to highlight my brow bone area and the inner corners of my eyes. I'm going to apply it all over my lips. This is in a brown shade. And I'm just going to line my lips. She's got big lips, so I'm going to overline just a little bit. And I'm just going to overline the Cupid's bow, just the Cupid's bow. I'm just going to apply it around my mouth, leaving the middle portion. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this concealer. Just take it in the back of my hand, apply it to the center of my lips. This is also a great technique to make your lips look thicker and fuller. I don't have a lipstick darker than this because I don't normally wear dark lipsticks, so this is what I came up with. Alright guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and hope you recreate this look. If you end up recreating this look, then do tag me on my Instagram, it's Swishdazzles. I love this look too. Every time I end up recreating a look, I end up loving it. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then don't forget to If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.